Here we are, December, what is it, 26th or 7th? 27th. Collecting along St. Croix here. Found a coin! Looks to be a quarter. Can't tell the year. I'll have to take a closer look. I'm going to set the camera down for a second. Ooh, it's another coin. Appears to be a dime. I'll have to check the ages on these when I get home. Looks like Franklin D. Roosevelt, so obviously some post-World War II for sure, but what's the age? I don't know. So here we are, December 27th, 2023. Rock collecting along the St. Croix here, just south of Stillwater. My friend there just found a killer agate. And let him pull it out, but nice, a little bit of crust of ice on the. There's the agate right there. Wow, dude, it's a high five on that one. Woohoo! Wow! Let me grab it. Nice. Looking at what the ice does to the shoreline, it basically just pushes the soil back. Ice still on the piles of soil it pushed. Helps renew the rock. Next spring when we're out here, we'll get a fresh look at some new rocks. That's the benefit of the ice rolling the soil back like that. So Mark just found this weird piece of chert. Just a very weird top to it. A lot of pattern to it. Natural rock though. It's not man-made. So I was looking at this, I guess I'd call it a slump. Hunk of the bank came down in front of me here with the tree roots, shrubbery roots, and an old bottle in here. Doesn't look to be super old, but doesn't be not broken either. So what do we got? So I'm thinking got a plastic cap, so 20s, 30s, might be almost 100 years old. So I have my soda cans up there. I was just drinking, but no, I see another bottle. See what this one got going here.
This is what you want. Something that hasn't seen the light of day.
So I'm thinking 1943 maybe. These bottles are. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have to suffer it. I'm gonna have to carry it home.
So this is
right,
one of
that's strange, right?
It's a weird looking, yeah. Almost a perfectly circular thing in this rock, but was it a gas bubble that refilled in with some other rock manure? I don't know, it's weird. So here's some very colorful, almost into a fluorescent orange fungus, slime fungus.